Guys, I forgot my GoPro at the house today, so the video on this one's probably gonna be just a few short clips. But on today's edition of What the Heck, that thing's dead. Y'all, a quick little view of what we got down here. We got that winner that's way over here, but it's up here in this tree. So what I did is I came all the way up here and I went over 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got this rope going through all these big heavy limbs. So even this one and this one is gonna count. And tie it off. We're gonna put a quarter wrap down there and pull on it with a machine and lower this thing down. I'm gonna get out of the tree first. But yeah, hey, you know, come climb trees and shit. It'll be fun, they said.